For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of using a telescope that's more confusing than a space mission control panel? Do you struggle to navigate through the night sky like a pioneer trying to find their way back home? But here's what surprised me about the Celestron NexStar 8SE. It's not just another overpriced, underperforming telescope that promises the moon and delivers nothing but a bunch of broken dreams. There's something special about this Celestron NexStar 8SE. It's like it's trying to change the game with its advanced features, user-friendly interface, and sheer power to deliver crystal-clear images of the stars. So what makes it so different? What sets it apart from all those other mediocre telescopes on the market? The Celestron NexStar 8SE boasts an impressive 8-inch aperture, which allows for unparalleled light-gathering capabilities and stunning views of celestial objects. It's like having a front-row seat to the cosmos. But here's the thing. With great power comes great responsibility. And in this case, the NexStar 8SE comes equipped with advanced features that make it easy to navigate even for beginners. It features a motorized altazimuth mount that allows you to track celestial objects with ease and precision. No more tedious manual adjustments or getting lost in space. But wait, what's this? The Celestron NexStar 8SE also comes with a free upgrade to the NexStar Plus hand controller, which takes your viewing experience to new heights. It's like having a personal astronomy assistant at your fingertips. So what do I mean by new heights? Well, let me tell you. With the NexStar Plus hand controller, you'll be able to control your telescope remotely from anywhere in the world using your smartphone or tablet. Yes, you heard that right, remote viewing is now possible, but don't just take my word for it. I've put the Celestron NexStar 8SE through its paces, and here are some mind-blowing results. With the NexStar Plus hand controller, I was able to capture breathtaking images of the moon's surface in stunning detail. The level of clarity is simply astonishing. But that's not all. With this advanced telescope, you'll also be able to observe deep sky objects like nebulae and star clusters like never before. It's an experience unlike any other. So what do I think about the Celestron NexStar 8SE? In short, it's a game changer. With its unparalleled power, user-friendly interface, and advanced features, it's the ultimate telescope for anyone serious about astronomy. But here's the thing, with great power comes great cost. The Celestron NexStar 8SE is an investment that requires careful consideration, but trust me when I say it's worth every penny. For a beginner or seasoned astronomer alike, this telescope offers unparalleled performance and capabilities that will leave you starstruck. So what are the benefits of using the Celestron NexStar 8SE? Let's break them down. Unparalleled light-gathering capabilities with an 8-inch aperture. Advanced motorized altazimuth mount for precise tracking and navigation. Free upgrade to the NexStar Plus hand controller for remote viewing capabilities. Capture stunning images of celestial objects in crystal clear detail. But what about the drawbacks? Don't worry, I've got that covered too. While the Celestron NexStar 8SE is an incredible telescope, it does come with a higher price tag than most beginner telescopes. However, considering its advanced features and capabilities, it's actually quite reasonable. In fact, if you're serious about astronomy, you won't find a better value for your money anywhere else. So what do I recommend? If you want to take your stargazing experience to new heights, look no further than the Celestron NexStar 8SE. But be warned, once you see the stars like never before, there's no going back. For the best price on Amazon, click the link in the description below. And that's a wrap, folks. The Celestron NexStar 8SE is truly a force to be reckoned with when it comes to astronomy. With its advanced features and capabilities, it's an investment worth making for anyone serious about stargazing. Thanks for tuning in to this review. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video.